Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we are going to learn how to make a satin finish on a blade that you've made, that you've done ages with your sanding. You've done it all. Now how are you going to finish this? Are you going to polish it? Are you going to buff it? Are you going to leave it matte? We're going to make it like this. Satin. Well, come along and let's have a look, and we'll see how we make some rough steel into some lovely satin finished stainless steel. Same if it's high carbon, works exactly the same. The first thing you're going to have to do is get this flat, and that's what you want to achieve. So in order to do that, you just need a couple of implements. I've just got a piece of plastic square, and what you do, you'll get your wet and dry, wrap your wet and dry around the square like that, and go up and down on your blade. You can go backwards and forwards, 45 this way, 45 that way, straight up and down, and make sure you can't see any real scratches. And when you can only see the scratches in the paper that you've used, say you start with, because it's pretty rough, maybe start with 240, then go to 320, then maybe whack in a 400. Then once you've got nice 400 scratches in there that you've put in like this, or like that, change to 600 paper and get this piece of metal. It's cut off there. Put your paper in it like this. Nice and tight, pulled across the edge of the paper. And all we have to do is to be very consistent. Get it there and just pull it back like that. There we go, hear that? Nice and gentle. Keep it going. And after not too long, all those lines you've put in will be nice, smooth, straight, non-aggressive lines. And as soon as the paper starts to dull a little bit, just pull it up just a smidge, make sure that's nice and tight, and then just have a real thing through. And I bet you're wondering, why isn't he using any water? Why isn't he using WD-40 or Windex? Because this works better. If you use Windex, it will still work, but not as nice as this complete satin finish. So if you want some nice satin finish on your blade, this is the way to do it. And hopefully you'll try it and go, look at this. And your lovely other half will go, oh gee darling, that looks really good. Can I have that on my kitchen? And then you can make her another one and keep feeding her knives till she doesn't even know what to do with them. But anyway, yeah, nice satin finish. Go to it. Okay, here we go. Look at that finish. That's a really nice finish to have on your blade. Look at that. Lovely, straight. There we go, try and turn it a bit. But yeah, lovely finish. Nice, uniform, very, very fine scratches in there. But that looks a treat. Look at that. Yeehaw. Do that all by yourself and never have to work it out again.